Okay. This is Westgate Mitsubishi Motors. We're gonna do, and this guy's helping me. We're gonna do some startups here on a couple cars. We have, let's look at this 2013 Audi. This one, I got this 2013. The first one we've got is this 2013 Audi S4. Yes, it is it's an Audi S4. Dang it. Dang it. Let's do. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Oh, that's the radio. And it's there. I don't know how to activate the radio. Dang it, how do I activate the radio on this? Source. Where are all my radio switches and everything? Where are all my radio switches? Where are all these radio switches? Wow.
Insurance advice given by Capital Financial
Wow.
Insurance, a North Carolina licensed insurance agent.
Ready to start this thing up? Is it loud? Okay, start it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait, that was a fail. Oh crap. Oops. I'm gonna start it off. I'm gonna shut it off, and then I'm gonna start it up with the key. Okay. 5. Okay, ready? Ready? 5.
At the corner of Happy and Healthy. Vaccine restrictions apply. See pharmacy. Ford.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4. Okay, and I have to. Oh crap. And I have to roll the window up. This thing doesn't work. I need to shut this off. We're gonna. Okay, here's the BMW. It's already running. It's a stick. I wasn't recording. I wasn't even recording. Now we're inside. And the door's closed and everything. Can I please shut it off and then start it?
Mm-hmm. So to shut it off, we're going to press this button here.
Okay. And we're off.
Yep.
And okay, and I'm going to start it up again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. bandits. And why won't the radio come on?
What's coming on?
What's your boy DJ Double Nice?
Wow, what did you just do?
Alright, so what that was is the seatbelt retractors going back. So when you turn the vehicle on, this right here comes out, helps bring you the seatbelt.
Where's the seatbelt retractor?
It does it by itself. There's no button for it, but that silver thing you just put your hand on is what it is.
Let me see how it works. Did it move? Close. Okay, where the...
Mine's coming out. There's yours right there. And then they'll go back in. It'll take it a second, but they'll go back in.
And then you just... Wow, cool.
You ever rode an M3?
No.
You want to run around the parking lot real quick?
Yeah.
Alright. Dad, if you don't mind, I'm going to drive him around the parking lot real quick.
Alright.
Alright, let me get my seatbelt on. I don't have a... I don't think I've rode in any BMW before. Let's put this up. That's my dad's Prius right there.
It's the only Prius I've ever seen in black.
Only one you've seen in black?
Only one I've seen in black.
You've never had one come in the lot before, have you?
Yeah, I've had a couple of them.
You've had a couple for sale, or?
Uh-huh. Yeah, people like Priuses.
You guys have a red one back there, I believe.
And we got a red one. I think we had a couple in beige. But I've never seen one in black.
Well, we're not trying to sell ours or anything. And what was that?
I stalled out.
Oh. We have to try this again.
Oh, you ain't gotta put it like that now. Try it. He said we gotta try this again. Am I on my line?
I believe you are.
I'm gonna scoot it over a little bit. I'm a little OCD, so I try to be as close to the center as possible.
Wow, pretty cool car.
Thank you.
This is the radio.
Uh-huh.
What is this?
That right there locks and unlocks the doors.
I don't know why it's located there. I couldn't find out that radio switches on the Audi.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
They just happen to be in a silly spot, which is right down here.
Oh, yeah,
What's this?
This right here controls your screen up here. So if you rock it around, it should select your different icons.
Alright, are we going to get out now?
Yeah, we can go ahead and get out now.
Alright.
So you have to press that first. And push it in. There you go. And the door is heavy, so go ahead and open it slow so we don't hit the car next to us, alright?
Wow. Pretty nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.